Hello, my name is Nalini Mahadevan, and today we are talking about one of the ways of not getting rejected when you're filing an H1B. And this time we're talking about the proper filing fees to be sent within H1B visa application to USCIS. Now, one of the ways of not being rejected, other than all the paperwork you're sending in, is not to forget to send checks for the various fees associated with filing an cap-based H1B visa petition. This also applies if you're going to change employers, you're going from one employer to another employer, and you're filing an H1B visa application. So let's go over it, okay? The very first one is ACWIA fee. That is the American Competitiveness and Workforce Improvement Act of 1998. So this fee is paid based on the number of employees in the organization. So if the organization is small and it has less than 25 full-time employees, then you pay $750. If there's more than 25 full-time employees, then you pay $1,500. Another fee that has to be also be paid is the fraud fee, and that fraud prevention and detection fee, and that's $500, and that is paid for the initial H1B visa. That is when you're sending it either subject to the cap, or if you are not subject to the cap, you're sending it, and also when you're changing employers. This fee does not apply to any of the H1B visas for citizens of Chile or Singapore. It's the H1B1 visas. Okay. Next is a public law 114-113 fees. This was a new law that was passed a few years ago, and it's directed at employees who have more than 50 employees, and 50% of which are either in L visa status or H visa status. So in other words, an H1B dependent employer. So with the application, they have to send an extra $4,000 of fees with these applications, and this is for both the initial H1B application, and also if these organizations are hiring H1B visa holder from another employer, and that visa holder is changing employers. Excuse me. All the checks should be payable to the Department of Homeland Security. So write it out in full, Department of Homeland Security. You can also use money orders to send it in, and the check should be valid and dated within the last 6 months, and it should be signed and dated. Now, every one of those fees needs its own check. So if you're sending the check for the I-129 form itself, the ACWIA fee, the fraud fee, the public law fee if it's applicable, all four. Now, there's one more fee if you want a reply within 15 days. This year, the reply will not come by April 15th. USCIS has said that most applications which are sent premium processing will be only taken up at a later date. That premium processing fee is $1,225, and it has a separate form that has to go with the fee. But all these forms can all be filed together. Make sure that you're filing it at the proper address. Go check on USCIS website. Make sure you have the correct forms. For any other pointers and more guidance on how to file a H1B, please call us. I am Nalini Mahadevan. We are at MLO Law LLC, based in Clayton, Missouri. Our phone number is 314-932-7111. Jamie picks up the phones. She knows all about this. If you want to check out our website, it's www.mlolaw.us. We'll see you in our next video.